night, and I need a lift. Bills paid up, farfeta ile hatua. Family are smiling, alofa in the room for amano, yeah. Now it's my time, me way I deserve this too. Island queen, ready, let me show you what I do.
Weekend energy, celebrate all night. Si baile po, let the island shine. Raise your hands, a veces el stress. Work hard, play hard, do a fia le ainga.
Weekend energy, usuma tuangane. Fata si tato island kings and queens. Toast to the blessings, I love how we share. Teni Samoan in the house, we party everywhere.
Calling on my usos, songers and the crew. Looking fly tonight, island vibes come through. Falling light shine, DJ turn it up. Phones on live, everybody showing love up. From the mall to 281 and worldwide. Island pride glowing, let the culture stay. Laughing, dancing, living in the moment free. This is how we celebrate, Fa'ata, see you and me.
Yeah, it's the weekend, we recharge on wine. Good vibes, only leave the stress behind. Come Monday morning, we grind again. Work for the fam, so that's the plan. Respect to the workers, the motto too. Providing every day, that's what islanders do. But tonight, fia blessings in the air. Raise your glass high, I love for everywhere.
Weekend energy, celebrate all night. Si baile po, let the island shine. Raise your hands, a veces less stress. Work hard, play hard, do a fia le aiga. Weekend energy, usuma tuangane. Fata si tato island kings and queens. Toast to the blessings, I love how we share. Teni Samoan in the house, we party everywhere. I love how fia fata, see we rise. Work for the family, but tonight we shine. From the islands to the world, let the culture shine. Fata si tato, one love, one vibe. Fia le weekend, fia tato.